In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp cannot download files. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to check is your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, you would not be able to download any sort of files. So try opening up other applications within your device and try to see if your internet is working or not. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you need to do is make sure that the date and time within your device is correct. If it is not, make sure you go over to your settings and make sure that you toggle on the automatic date and time. As soon as you do that, you should be able to download the files that you were trying to. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still facing this issue. Then what you need to do is make sure that the photos and video permission is allowed within WhatsApp. So simply tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon. Within settings, head over to app permission and make sure that the storage option is toggled on or set to allow. So once you do these 3 steps, you should be able to fix the issue. But however, if you're still facing issues even after doing all of these steps, the last thing that you can do is just reinstall the application of WhatsApp onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.